Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Nick IB. I don't know where that accent came from, but I apologize if you didn't like it. Today we have two pairs of shoes to hydro dip. I was doing some thinking up here in the noggin, and I was thinking, what if we showed two pairs of shoes being hydro dipped at the same time? That'd be kind of interesting. Never done it before. You might be on the brink of something magical, Nick. Wow, Nick, you are so creative. Nick? I know. But anywho, yeah, at this point, we all get the gist of hydro dipping, so let's just get the supplies, let's hydro dip, and let's just go on with the normal scheduled video. We need spray paint, we need water, we need the bucket, we need the GoPro, we need the gloves, we need the cameras, we need the shoes. Speaking of shoes, we got two slip-ons, both the same size, so identical twins almost. Actually, they're gonna be a little bit different colors, but yeah, hydro dipping twins. Maybe that could be a good thumbnail idea. Hydro dipping twins. But for real, I'm kind of just procrastinating right now, but let's get to it. Hydro dip time. Today, two pairs of shoes, 2 + 2, 2. Okay, I just need to go back into my texts. Oh, I know it's so bright right now. Oh my gosh. Oof. Anyway, okay, so one of the shoes, pink and blue. Blue, pink. For the other shoe, we're gonna do yellow, pink. I already have it. And light blue and regular blue, which I already have. Cool. Let's get the bucket and get to the backyard. It is so bright. Look at this. You can't even see my face. I am a ghost. I am Casper the Ghost. If you know what this is from, leave a comment down below. Give you hints, one of my previous videos. Bucket secured. Hope you guys like this different style of video, doing 2 shoes at once. I thought it was pretty cool to see 2 different processes, and also it was weird to see how like similar I made the shoe. I would take it out of the bucket and like look at it kind of the same way, and even like taking the tape off of the shoes, like I would look down at it and like look at it like the same, which I guess makes sense because that's how I do things. But it's just funny to see 2 things at once. And also would love to hear your thoughts on which one you like the best. I kind of like the one with the yellow in it, but that's just my opinion. But anyways, just wanted to say thank you for watching, and as always, if you have ideas for future videos, let me know down in the comments below. I'll read everything and try to respond to every single comment. But with all that being said, I'm out. Peace.